Phase 3 of the AI revolution is about to reshape the economy in ways few are ready for. It's going to make today's AI chatbots look like dial-up internet. The impact on business and marketing is going to make it harder. And with 2025 right around the corner, if you're not preparing for this now, you're risking more than just falling behind. You could be replaced by AI itself. Something that you'd want to be ready for, right?
Hell yeah!
Well, let me ask you this. What if your customers could bypass your entire service with one command? A few inputs, a budget, and AI does the rest at a fraction of the cost that you charge.
Oh crap!
Think that sounds far-fetched? It's happening faster than you think. This is where phase 3 of the AI revolution comes in. We're not just talking about smarter customer service bots anymore, or better AI-generated content. I'm talking about AI that runs entire businesses autonomously. AI so advanced, it could replace your services without a second thought. You see, here's the thing. Most people are still wrapping their heads around phase 1 AI chatbots, while phase 2 reasoning just arrived a few weeks ago. But phase 3, it will start rapidly rolling out in the coming months. When I was researching for my new book, The Wolf is at the Door for Entrepreneur magazine, I started hearing whispers about a race. OpenAI, Google, Salesforce, Microsoft, each of them quietly preparing for phase 3 while the world was distracted by chatbots. And once I uncovered the scale of what's coming, it was pretty clear. Businesses that don't adapt will see their sales plummet. Because phase 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. AI agents capable of running operations, managing projects, and even interacting with customers without human input. Imagine your customers using AI to handle everything you offer, but only faster and cheaper. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, recently confirmed that we're heading straight for this future, aligning with the trends that I break down in my book and the free resources you can grab below. Here's how he broke it down.
We have these 5 levels of AI we talk about. The first was chatbots. The second, which we've just reached now, is reasoners. The third is agents.
The question you need to ask yourself isn't if AI will disrupt your business, but how soon. To answer that, you need to know what an AI agent is and how it's going to rewrite the rules of business and marketing. Unlike simple chatbots, AI agents are evolving, learning autonomously, solving complex tasks, and operating with little to no oversight. Now think about this. Your customers will soon be able to access these AI agents directly from Google, Microsoft, or OpenAI, which means you need to answer a really tough question. Why would your customers pay for your service when they can get the same results faster and cheaper using AI agents? That's the reality we're heading toward. A reality that I share in my new book to help get businesses ready for ASAP. Now, I get what you're thinking. AI can't do what you do. But here's the truth. People said the same thing about phase 1. Then ChatGPT launched, and within months, demand for freelance work dropped by 21%. Consumers are already shifting their behavior, and many don't realize they're vulnerable to being replaced, not by a competitor, but by the very customers they serve. Consider this. You're using AI yourself to cut costs, right? Well, so are your customers. And AI agents are going to speed up the process in the coming months. They fall into 3 categories, according to OpenAI board member Brett Taylor. 1. Personal agents, which are general purpose assistants that can handle a wide range of tasks. 2. Persona-based agents, AI specialized for specific roles. And 3. Company agents, AI that represents a brand and interacts with customers directly. You get why they're so appealing, don't you? Consumers will soon use them to cut costs the same way you've been using AI tools to cut your own costs. And here's the kicker. If you're not prepared, they could cut you out of the equation entirely. To prepare for this, start by asking yourself these 3 critical questions. 1. If AI can offer your service faster and cheaper, what's your unique value proposition? 2. What can you offer that AI agents can't replicate? And 3. Are you making that crystal clear in your marketing? Now, if you can answer these questions clearly, you're ahead of most. The real opportunity lies in positioning yourself where AI can't reach, or where it complements what you do, not replaces it. If you don't have answers to these questions, don't fret. That's why I've got the free resources to help guide you below. But let me be clear, it's no longer enough to compare yourself to human competitors. You need to compare your services to AI's evolving capabilities, because that's exactly what your customers are doing as they seek to save money and get faster results just like you are. But here's where you can breathe a little easier. Just like AI chatbots that hallucinate and mix fact with fiction, AI agents still have a long way to go before consumers trust them completely with sensitive data. But make no mistake, consumers are already taking risks with AI, even in its current state. I've been preparing my course members for this shift all year. Now I want to help you too. Download the free resources below and take your first step in preparing for what's coming next. You don't have time to wait. Let's get you ahead of the curve before the curve leaves you behind.